Hey everyone, this is Rachel, and today I'm here with a new scrapbooking process video. Thanks so much for joining me here, and I hope you enjoy. If you could flick me a thumbs up, that would be super awesome, and I would love it if you would become a subscriber. You can also click on the notification bell so you always know when I have a new video up. Alright folks, let's get going!
Hey everyone, I've got a really quick video for you today using a page kit from one of the Page Evans lines. I think it's Take Me Away, but don't quote me on that there. So this is one of the last videos I have back at a crop I went to in September 2019. So I'm getting a little fuzzy on the details at this point because now you're talking about several months ago. But I am using this purple ombre paper for my background. We had stepped out of a scholarship dinner that my nephew had attended where he was getting a scholarship his senior year of high school, and the sunset was just so super beautiful, and he was wearing a lavender shirt, so I'm like, go over there and stand in front of the sunset and I'm gonna take your picture. And the idea was not to take a picture and like label it sunset picture, yay. I really wanted to talk about all the changes going on in his life, graduating high school, moving on to college, just the changes that were about to come that, you don't necessarily realize at the moment. So I put some mist onto the background and I was just building my page on the table while I was letting that dry for a bit. And so basically this is a very simple, very basic layout. That photo is a 5x7 rather than a 4x6, but I'm just building a diagonal upper left, lower right paper. I have these mirrored pieces that came with the pink paisley Page Evans line. I have some labels from Ellie Studio. I have that colors chipboard piece also from the Page Evans line, and then I have a couple of puffy stickers which I actually think came from Pink Fresh Studio, not Pink Paisley. Just sticking with the pink theme, just not, the same company. Alright, so I'm almost done here. I'm going to be spending a lot of time off camera. All of these mirrored pieces had a little plastic protective covering on them, so I had to peel those off, and I also had to glue all of them down because the stick was not very strong with that. So there's a lot of cutting away, which is one of the reasons why this layout was, this video is pretty short, but also simply because I didn't do a whole lot of it. I really let the picture speak for itself, and I wanted not to necessarily put a lot of things on the page. I was really, I chose a larger journaling square because I wanted to say quite a bit. There's also a journaling square on the bottom there where more journaling went, but I didn't put that, I hadn't filled that out before I took the picture because I just was putting a couple of private things that I didn't want up on YouTube, Instagram, stuff like that. So that is going to complete my layout. Thank you so much for joining me here today. If you could flick me a thumbs up, that would be great. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.